Hello everyone, myself Avijit Sinha, and today I am going to discuss the question answer of chapter number 15. It is North India after Mauryan and Songs. First one is take the correct option. Sakas originally belong to Central Asia. Edicts on Girnar mountain is in Junagadh, Gujarat. Kusans were defeated by Huns. The use of helmets was introduced in India. It was by the Kusans. Next is the Gandhar School of Art made images on only Gautam Buddha. Gandhar School of Art and Mathura School of Art. Next is fill in the blanks. Grand Dhwaj pillar was built at Besnagar by Heliodorus. Who was the most famous ruler of Kusan? Kanishk was the most famous Kusan ruler. Stitch cloth and long boots were introduced in India by the Kusans. The Greek contributed to the development of Indian theatre. It means in India, the first theatre was introduced by the Greek. Kanishk was the follower of Mahayan branch of Buddhism. Mahayan, those who were the follower of, who was believe in idol worship. Next is come on to the match the following. Menander belong to Indo-Greek. Shak era, it is national era in India. Heliodorus, Vaishnavism, it means Heliodorus follows Vaishnavism in the believe in the idol worship of Vishnu. Yavinika, also known as curtain or parda, which was used in theatre. Patanjali, Mahabhasya, it means a book, Mahabhasya, written by Patanjali, or Patanjali wrote Mahabhasya. Come on to the next question answer. Where did Menander establish his rule in India? Come on to the page number 127. Menander was the famous Indo-Greek ruler. He adopted Buddhism and established his rule over Punjab and Kashmir. तो यहाँ से लिखेंगे Menander adopted Buddhism and established his rule over Punjab and Kashmir. Question number 2. Mention the areas where the contribution of Greek was very valuable. Again, come on to page number 127. The contribution of the Indo-Greek is manifold in the field of Natyashastra, theatre, coinage, sculpture, idols, philosophy, literature, and trade, business. Number 3. Who were the Kusans and why did they came to India? Come on to the page number 127. Who were the Kusans? Kusans belonged to the province of Kens of West China and they were also known as Yuchi. Why they came to India? Because they were defeated by the Huns, so they moved out towards India and settled in Afghanistan after defeating the Sakas. Mention 5 words which have been adopted from Greek and other languages. Come on to the page number 130. We have adopted many words from Greek and other languages such as Hora, Kalam, Plague, Surang, etc. How did the Greeks influence our coinage system? On the page number 129. Greek influenced our art of coinage. They were the first ruler who issued round shaped coin with images on both the sides. It means the Greek was the first ruler who used a round shaped coin with images on the both sides of the coins. Describe the contribution of Indo-Greek. Describe the contribution of Indo-Greek. Page number 127 and 129. The first Indo-Greek ruler was Menander and he introduced the coin which have been found in many parts of North India. And he also ruled from the province of Gandhar. And the second point is, another famous Indo-Greek ruler was Heliodorus, and he built a grand Dwaj pillar at Besnagar. And the third point is, the contribution of Indo-Greek is manifold in the field of Natyashastra, coinage, sculptures, philosophy and trade. And come on to the fourth point. And for fourth point, come on to the page number 129. The Greek contributed to the development of Indian theatre by introducing the use of Yavnika curtain on the stage. And last one is, the art of sculpture was also deeply influenced, and their subjects were Indian but Greek in style. It was hair and face. Come on to the question number 2. Explain briefly the reforms introduced by Rudra Daman. Page number 127. Rudra Daman, the edict engraved on Girnar mountain in Junagadh, provides information about the period of Rudra Daman. इसको इंट्रोडक्शन में पहला लाइन लिखेंगे और उसके बाद फिर पैराग्राफ चेंज करके फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ से, देयर वॉज पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी इन हिज किंगडम. नंबर 2, he had a council of ministers to advise him. Number 3, he issued silver coins on which his figure was engraved. Number 4, he was always ready to help his people. And number 5, he repaired the Sudarshan Lake in Kathiawar in order to provide good irrigation facilities. बस यही 5 पॉइंट लिखेंगे. 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन हो सकता है आज एग्जाम में. पहले ही बता चुके हैं, फिर से बता रहे हैं, जब भी 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आए कोशिश करेंगे कि उसमें 5 पॉइंट्स आपके आंसर में हो. और दूसरा, अगर 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो 3 पॉइंट में. एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू राइट इन 60 to 80 वर्ड एंड 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन इन 100 to 120 वर्ड. 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन राइट इन वर्ड और इन सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ डिड ग्रीक इन्फ्लुएंस द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस, लिटरेचर एंड आर्ट. ग्रीक, लिटरेचर एंड आर्ट, ये तीनों को साइंस, लिटरेचर एंड आर्ट, ये तीनों को यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. सबसे पहले पेज नंबर 129 में देखेंगे. आर्ट में, द आर्ट ऑफ स्कल्पचर was deeply influenced at the time of Indo-Greek ruler. Their subjects were Indian but Greek in style. The Greek contributed to the development of Indian theatre by introducing the use of Yavnika curtain on the stage. तो यहाँ से लेकर जो पॉइंट जैसे बताए हैं वैसे लिखोगे, पूरा बुक वाला नहीं उतार लोगे. इस वीडियो को फिर से ध्यान से सुनोगे, लाइन कैसे यूज़ किया गया है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ आर्ट, सेकंड वन इज़ साइंस एंड देन इज़ लिटरेचर. Effects of contact between Central Asia and North India. The contact with the Greek, Sak, Parthians and Kusans made a deep impact on the Indian society. Till then, Indians were used unstitched cloth, but after they contact in Greek, Sak, Parthians and Kusans, the Kusan introduced the use of stitched cloth like long coats and long boots, trousers and tunics. They also introduced the use of helmets. They adopted Indian religion and became an integral part of Indian society. Integral means the important part of Indian society. Kusan were accepted as Kshatriyas as they worship Shiva and Vishnu. They also influenced our coinage system. They were the first ruler to issue the round shape coin with the image of the both side. तो यहाँ से ये नहीं लिखेंगे. They adopted the Indian religion. या फिर इसको लिख सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा आंसर नहीं है, सिर्फ यहाँ से लेके ये. तो इसको शॉर्ट में कर लेंगे. The Indo-Greek rulers of the Central Asia affect the national North India. The Kushan introduced the use of stitch cloth like long coat, long boot, trouser, tunics. They also introduced the helmets. They also adopt the Indian culture and Indian religion, and they work as a Kshatriyas. They also influence our coinage system. They were the first ruler to use or to issue round shape coin with the image on both sides. बस इतना ही. Question number 5. Why did Kanishk famous in Indian history? Kanishk Indian history में क्यों फेमस था? Come on to the point of Kanishk, पेज नंबर 128. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखेंगे कौन कौन सा पॉइंट कैसे बताया जा रहा है लिखने के लिए. पहला देखो 1 नंबर में यहाँ पे स्टार मार्क दिया है और 1 नंबर में यहाँ पे स्टार मार्क दिया है. इट मीन्स यहाँ से लिखेंगे, पहले ये लिख लेंगे, ठीक है. ही वॉज द मोस्ट एबल एंड पावरफुल कुशन रूलर्स. ही सपोर्टेड बुद्धिज्म होल हार्टेडली. Many Buddhist monasteries were built during this period or during his period. Next is, during the period of Kanishk, Ashoghosh wrote an epic on Buddha Charita in Sanskrit. तो पहला पॉइंट एक यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक और उसके बाद यहाँ से ड्यूरिंग से लेकर यहाँ तक. नेक्स्ट इज पॉइंट नंबर 2 में देखते हैं. कनिष्क वॉज अ ग्रेट लवर एंड पैटर्न ऑफ लर्निंग. ही प्रोपोगेटेड संस्कृत लैंग्वेज एंड लिटरेचर. सेकंड यहाँ, ठीक है. यहाँ के बाद सेकंड वाला पॉइंट यहाँ पे, ही हिमसेल्फ वॉज अ ग्रेट स्कॉलर. बस यहीं तक. नेक्स्ट इज नंबर 3. Art and architecture, sculpture, science, etc. Mathura, Sarnath, Amravati and Gandhar were the main center of development of art, architecture and sculpture. ये third. Number 4th, Kanishk is also known for his fine coins. And number 5, he started the Shak era in CE 78. This era is now used by Indian government as national era. बस इतना ही. नाउ वी हैड कम्प्लीटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर. कम ऑन द मैप स्केल. ये मैप स्केल आपको मैप में लोकेट करके प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा. सो स्टिल वेटिंग टिल द मैप प्रोवाइड यू. ग्रीस, चाइना, इंडिया, अफगानिस्तान, तक्षशिला. क्वेश्चन याद रखोगे, एग्जाम में इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. द कंट्री टू विच द बैक्टीरियंस बिलोंग, ग्रीक. द कंट्री टू विच द कुशन्स ओरिजिनली बिलोंग, Central Asia, it means China. The country which became the home of the Kushans, India. क्यों? कुशन्स इंडिया में आकर बस गए थे और यहाँ के रिचुअल्स, कस्टम, ट्रेडिशंस, रिलीजन को एक्सेप्ट कर चुके थे. The country captured by the Shak, अफगानिस्तान. तक्षशिला, द कैपिटल ऑफ शका नाउ इन पाकिस्तान. तक्षशिला शक लोगों का कैपिटल था जो अभी पाकिस्तान में है. एंड अफगानिस्तान, द कंट्री कैप्चर्ड बाई शक. उस समय भी अफगानिस्तान जो था वो इंडिया का पार्ट था, अब ये इंडिपेंडेंट हो चुका है. तो इस चैप्टर में बस इतना ही. रेस्ट, वी आर स्टार्टेड न्यू चैप्टर नेक्स्ट डे. ओके, थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू.